Hi, welcome to Camlish.com. I'm teacher Emmy and I'm going to be your teacher in learning the English language easily. The title of our book is Classroom English. This is a practical guide to teaching English through English. Now let's start our discussion on page 94. Now let's start our discussion on lesson number 31, and the topic is assigning homework. Assigning homework. Okay, now the teacher's language here is, now I'll give you the homework. The homework is to practice today's dialogue 5 times. Okay, now let's try to see the dialogue part. Starting with the teacher speaking, let's read. Now I'll give you the homework. Are you ready? Student said yes. Teacher, okay, the homework is to practice today's dialogue 5 times. Next class we'll do it in pairs. Then a student raises his or her hand. How many times? Teacher, I guess you weren't listening. Class, how many times? The students replied 5. Okay, so the teacher said, right, you need to practice the dialogue 5 times. Okay, so that's about the homework. Now let's continue. Let's study the other expressions this time. So for number 1, the statement is, now I'll give you the homework. The teacher could also say, I'll talk about the homework now. Another way of saying that is, let me give you the homework now. Now here's the homework for next class. Okay. Now number 2 we have here, the homework is to practice today's dialogue 5 times. We have here another way of saying that. For homework, practice today's dialogue 5 times. Next one, your homework is practicing the dialogue 5 times. For your homework, I want you to practice the dialogue 5 times. Now let's go to number 3, which is next class we'll do it in pairs. Another way of saying that is, next class, let's see how well we can do it in pairs. And you'll have a chance to do it in pairs next time. Number 4 now, I guess you weren't listening. You weren't listening, were you? Another one is, you weren't paying attention, were you? And number 5 we have here, class, how many times? Everyone, how many times did I say? What did I say, everybody? Okay, now you can read here below the Korean translation of the dialogue part. Let's continue. And we have here an important note, marking intonation. So you could read this first, because this is very important as well. We're talking about stress, or the way you pronounce the sentence. Okay, and another one here, other expressions about homework. So we have here, let's review the homework. What's the assignment for tomorrow? What are you supposed to do for next time? Let's go over the homework for next class once more. Number 2 here we have, there's no homework for next class. I won't give you any homework today. And you don't have any assignment for tonight. Okay? We're already on the third part of our book, and the topics here is English for interaction. So 32 is asking for repetition. Lesson number 33 is getting students to speak more loudly. Lesson number 34 is interrupting. 35, agreeing. 36 is disagreeing. 37, checking students' understanding. 38, we have the topic encouraging students to speak. 39, guiding students' questions. And 40 is correcting errors. Let's discuss lesson number 32, which is asking for repetition. Asking for repetition. Let's go over the teacher's language. Say it again. Could you repeat it? Say it again, would you? Could you say it one more time? Let's check the dialogue part. Teacher shows the students a picture of a soccer ball. What's this in English? Students, ball. Teacher, yes, it's a ball. What do people do with it? Students said. Teacher, yes, what's in English? Student, soccer. Teacher, yes, soccer. So this is a student's soccer ball. Teacher, say it again. Student's soccer ball. Teacher, okay, here's the picture for the next word. Let's study the other expression, which is say it again. The teacher could also say it again, please. Can you repeat it? Could you repeat it? Say it again, would you? Can you say it once more? Could you say it one more time? Or say it one more time, would you? And here below is the Korean translation of the dialogue part. We also have here an important note that you can read. It versus that and asking for repetition. So that's it for now. Again, thank you for listening. I'm Teacher Emmy. See you in our next video class. Goodbye.